So here we have the SKY-302s, and they're the clear with the white sole, and they are the double strap. Yeah. But we'll put the link in the description if you want to purchase, and I will be doing a review on them soon. Bye. Hi guys, it's me Rose here at Shoes of Hollywood doing another shoe review for you again today. I have no idea what I'm reviewing today, which I love, so it's like a lucky dip. But these ones are called the SKY-302VL, which is vegan leather, which I don't know what that means yet until I unbox them, so we'll do that together. As always, they come in your really cool carry box, which I'm a big collector of, as well as your little protective carry shoe bag. So I'll unveil these ones. Oh, okay, cool. So these are a 7-inch 2-strap heel. Now we've never done a 2-strap before. We have been asked to do it, you know, but we just haven't yet before ever, just because they're not very popular. But we thought we would today just because it's been requested. So they're just a clear bottom, like clear, yeah, and a clear double strap at the top, and it's more of a vegan, instead of the squishy soles we usually have, they're like a vegan leather feel white sole with the gorgeous, oh, it's a rose gold writing for the pleaser. And yeah, pretty simple, pretty, yeah, so we'll try these ones on. I have never done a 2-strapper before without the strap on the back as well, so we'll try these ones on. Yeah, so the only reason we haven't done these before, double strap, because they're just not as popular as the other ones, but that's what I'm here for. Try them on. Don't know how I'll go with them, because everyone knows Rose likes a ankle back strap. They should be okay, and since they're brand new, clear, usually a bit tricky to put on. There we go. I got a bit of a wide foot, so sometimes it's a bit tricky to put on. That little bit down here. Okay, we'll try the other one. Okay. Usually when you get these ones, you stretch them out a little bit before you wear them. Oh, that one went on alright. Just this one's a bit stuck. There we go. So yes, so they're a vegan friendly leather feel on the bottom sole, so a bit of extra grip since you don't have that back ankle strap. Oh, they feel pretty good with that second strap, so pretty supportive. Pretty simple shoe. So yes, these ones are a 7-inch. I don't know if I mentioned that, but if you're after something pretty simple that, you know, that could go with really anything, these are your go-to. So clear platform, clear heel, and the white sole kind of gives it that little bit of pop. But yeah, so we'll take these ones outside so you can kind of see the light shining through the platform. But also make sure you click the bell on the left hand side and keep up to date with everything that's going on with us. And yeah, so we'll go for a little walk outside. As I've been saying in a lot of my videos, it is very hot here in Australia. At least with these ones you can kind of see all your pretty toes, and if you've got a little foot jewelry on. But I was actually expecting these to be a little bit hard to walk in, because usually I'm not the best in walking heels if I don't have that back strap. But with these double clear straps over the front has given me that extra bit of support. So I keep squinting, it's a bit weird today. So, but yeah, so they feel pretty comfortable. I'd be confident wearing these all night. So yes, they're pretty simple. It would be good if, like, at night time, if you got lights or pretty lights and stuff like that, would shine straight through that clear platform. And the heel. and that white leather sole could almost glow under UV light. So they're pretty simple, yet pretty cool shoe. So, a simple gal and simple shoes for you. It'll still take me a little bit to get used to, but I think they'd be pretty easy to figure it out. Like how you can see my pretty red nails in them. Okay, it is time to warm up there now as it's getting later on during the day. So yes, if you are interested in these shoes, remember they're a 7-inch, and we always post a link to purchase these in the description of this video. And there we go. And that little vegan friendly leather sole is good. They will mold to your feet as you wear them, but they won't leave as many marks as you would if they were a white squishy sole. Anyway, hope you liked the review, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.